Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tatiana. I am so excited about this tutorial because it is featuring the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And if you don't know, now you know. We are supporters of Miss Jackie Aina, honey. Auntie Jackie, love her. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right in. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and prep my skin with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and then prime my skin with the Honey Do Me Up NYX primer. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my LA Girl Orange Color Corrector, and this is to brighten up any dark spots on the face. So when you're trying to get rid of darkness, you use orange. If you're trying to get rid of redness, you use green. And for bruises, you'll be using purple. So that's how we color correct. So as you can see me doing here, I'm going above my lip and underneath my eyes to cancel out any darkness that could shine through my foundation. I'm going to cancel that out ahead of time. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And for all the girls who would like to know my skin tone, like my shades and everything, it'll be down in the description box. This foundation blends flawlessly, and I really recommend it. I love it so much. You see how fast I'm blending? It just helps me get my work done even faster. And also keep in mind a mental note, I blended down my neck. Don't you girls forget to blend down your neck. You want everything to match. So now we're going to move on to concealer, and today I'm going in with the Instant Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline, and I am in the shade Tan. I'm in the shade Tan, and this concealer is bomb. I go through so many of them. I just love them so much. I'm gonna bronze up the skin a little while I let that dry, using the Covergirl Queen bronzer in the shade Ebony Bronze. So now that my concealer has sat just a little bit, I let it get a little tacky. I'm gonna blend that out using the Beauty Blender. So for extra brightness, I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is going to be in the shade Caramel. Now, this was my first time using this concealer, and I must say, first of all, I've went out and bought more since this has been filmed, and the coverage is amazing. Do you see that? You see that? Right, because you don't see anything other than that concealer, honey, sitting. So now that my base is up to my liking, I'm going to set my concealer using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and this is the shade Buttercup. This powder is my go-to, my fave, my day one of my, top five. So I'm going to set the rest of my face using the MAC setting powder, and this is in the shade NW45, and that's just setting my foundation in place. So I use the loose setting powder to set my concealer. That's my preference. I'm going to go back in with my bronzer because we want that to pop. I love being extra bronzy. Love it, love it, love it all year long. Bronze me up, baby. Now we have to snatch these brows up, honey. So I'm going to go in with my Kiss Cosmetics pencil, and it's my top brow. It's in the shade Deep dark brown. These pencils are amazing. I picked mine up from the beauty supply, and I have nothing bad to say about these pencils. They're freaking amazing. You should go pick one up. So now that I've snatched and cleaned up my brows off camera, I'm going to go in with my Femme blush. This is in the shade Pink. They're super pigmented. I absolutely love this blush. It's my favorite. And I ordered it offline. So I'll be able to list that in the description box as well for you. So you can pick yours up as well. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. Well, this is my Mojave palette by Nye. And I'm going to go in the shade Tanzania to bronze up the nose. I choose not to go in with my Covergirl Queen because it has some shimmer and I get a little oily on my nose. So I'd rather not add to that by adding anything with shine or shimmer in it. That's just my preference though. So now I'm just going to set my face using my Mario spray again. And as you can see, I'm drying effortlessly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press in that setting spray to really set my face and set all those powders into place. Now for the start of the show, we are going in with the Aina palette. She teamed up with Anastasia Beverly Hills. First of all, I was supposed to come out with this like so long ago when the freaking palette dropped. So not even gonna go there. This video is long overdue, but look how beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Ginger in my crease. Use any fluffy brush you have. This one is from Wet n Wild, and Dollar Tree literally has them in there sometimes. And you know Dollar Tree is $1, so hello, hi. So I'm going to go in with the next shade, and that is Edges. I'm going to be blending right over the top / a little bit underneath of where I put that first shade down. So we're just building up that color and gradually increasing and smoking out the edge to give us our smoky eye effect. Now I'm going to go back with my first blending brush and just blend out the edges so that they don't get too crazy and out of control. And now I'm just gonna go in with Credit and I'm gonna blow it out in the outer corner. We're gonna gradually increase the smoky eye. So you don't wanna just blot a bunch of dark brown on the outside. You want to go in and try and blend it out and then add more. It's better to add more than to try and take away because, yeah, it's just smarter. Work smarter, not harder. So what you see me doing here is adding a little bit of edges above Credit. So I want to still have a little bit of that red showing through above the brown. And I'm blending everything together. Now next up on the roster is Wiggalese. We are going with this because I'm snatched. Look at this beautiful color. I am going to place her all over the middle portion of my lid because it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. She did an amazing job on this palette, I must say. This is literally like me putting my brush in there 1 to 2 times, if that. So I'm going to blend out Wiggalese with Credit on the outer corner. And now I'm going to go in with Zam on the inner corner. And it's just like a rich gold, like rich bitch gold, period. That's what it is. Zam. Right here, you just see me going back and forth with Wiggalese and Zam to build up the color to my preference and my liking. I want it to pop. So now I'm just going to jump right back into my Nye Mojave palette and take the shade Adobe. I want to really deepen up this contour and I want it to be snatched. I'm going for a full on glam, okay? So that's what you see me doing here. Now it's time to smoke out that lower lash line, and we're just gonna go in with Ginger and Credit. Those are the only two colors that we're using to smoke out the bottom. The first one is Ginger, the second one will be Credit. And yeah. Notice I switch gears and I have a flat shader brush to apply Credit closer to my waterline. I wanted to get really tight in there and then smoke it out. So that's what I'm doing, going back and forth here. And I'm gonna be adding some liner to my waterline. And this is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny eyeliner pencil, and it is so bomb. You can pick it up at Family Dollar, honey. The same story goes along with this gel liner. You can pick it up at Family Dollar, and it is literally a staple in my kit. I use it on my clients and I use it on myself. I've been sticking with this liner for years, and it has never done me wrong. It never fails me. So this is in the shade Blackest Black, and as you can see, the Effortless Glide, it's bomb, and it's super black and super affordable, and I'm all for being frugal for my girls. Like, everybody ain't got a grip to spin, and I understand. So we've come back with a full glam on lashes, applied those off camera, and now I'm going to go in with my favorite lip liner, and it is in the shade Club Hopper. It is the NYX Matte Lip Pencil Collection, and I'm a club hopping hoe. This is perfect for me. This is my perfect shade. I literally rebuy this pencil over and over. Like, girl, if you haven't tried these liners, I don't even know what to say to you right now. Missing the fuck out. But yeah, now I'm gonna go in with this Poppin' Red by Huda Beauty, and OMG, the beautiful. Like, I love this red. Love it. Now that I have my lip all perfected, I'm going to go in one more time with the Mario Badescu setting spray and just press that into my skin, because a girl has to be extra, extra set. If I'm going to party, I got to be set. I want to be cute all night, okay? And now I'm going to be going in with the infamous LeBron's, honey. And you know who created this? Miss Jackie Aina, just like this eyeshadow palette. So I had to throw it in. I had to. And it's popping. It perfected the look beautifully. Look at it. Just look at it. If you don't have this highlight, honey, you better go get it. I don't know what you're doing. By Artist Couture. So the finishing touches have been applied. I thank you guys for joining me. I had so much fun creating this video for you guys. Please leave comments down below and let me know what you want to see in the future. Let me know your thoughts and everything like that. Be sure to subscribe before you go and connect with me on all my social media sites. Thank you guys again for joining, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah!